mylifeng.com.
Hi guys, good evening. How are you all doing? You're welcome to my channel. Welcome to Fresh Empire. You can see my face for the first time. My name is Precious Emomutu, based in Asaba, Delta State of Nigeria. Highly welcome to my space, and please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Please, subscription is free of charge, please, okay? Click on the subscription icon and subscribe to the family, okay? So guys, this is the startup of a new vlog. Yeah, so I'm starting it with baby girl's hair maintenance. Yeah, so I just want to lose our old hair. As you can see, I'm losing our old hair. This one is old and is smelling, so I need to take care of baby girl's hair, lose the hair, and then wash it. Yeah, so this is what this particular vlog is going to be. So join me as I take care of baby girl's hair. Okay, so let's lose the old one first before we start the new one. This girl plate wahala, lose her wahala. Go ahead, take plate wahala, lose wahala. God, can't get me down with better. And then I don't like plating hair. She don't even like losing her hair. So yeah, at least you must prefer one. Choose one over one, Eliana. It's all. We'll keep plating our hair. So we're not going to be making another new hair till next week that school will resume. So, but I'll just do some simple style tomorrow, and I will just show you guys. And I will also carry you guys along while making the simple hair for baby girl that she'll carry to church tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday, today is Saturday. So yeah, that's just it for now. So watch me as I take care of my baby girl's tiny and small hair. Yeah, we're done losing baby girl's hair. Mama, show you. Keep your head on. So we're done, and this girl's hair is not growing fast, so just be very much. I don't know why. This year now swans. But anyways, we'll not give up. And our front hair is coming out small. So let's go and take care of this hair. Let's go and wash it because it's not that we're going to be good. This is a spectacular. This is a shea butter cream, and these are the bottles, and here are shampoo. So these are the shampoo. So right now we're going to be starting with our hair maintenance. We're going to be washing this hair thoroughly and take care of it. Pamper it everything. Auntie, say mama, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. He wants to come and stay with his sister because his sister is washing him. See love. See love. Oh, try and have a big brother I love you. Mama, stop. You don't pour in water. So guys, we're going to go in with this shea butter from Laura. So we're going to be adding this shea butter. It's almost finished, so we don't have plenty of it. So we're just managing the one we have now. don't waste your hair cream. So we'll be adding this one. This is Kids and shea butter. So we'll be adding this one. Little points of it. Hold it to Eliana. Then we'll now introduce our comb. Yes. Don't waste that thing. I don't know what you put it to the cover. So it's open. Don't waste it, okay? Hey, Mama, see you're wasting this. Give me this comb. Stop. Good evening there. Say hi. Olivia, uncle. No. Okay. See your mouth, Olivia, uncle. So this is what our scarf is looking like. Let's just style our hair anyways, but tomorrow we'll plait our hair for church and we'll show you guys, okay? So but today let's just style it a little. Let's just style our hair now. Take. Wait, let me style your hair. I'm coming, I will give you. I'll give you. Baby girl's hair is growing, sha. This is the. She have rubber hair. You think that her hair is not growing, but it's growing. See, she have rubber hair. See, she have rubber hair. It's growing. But if you look at it, you think it's not growing. What is it? I should open it. Hi guys. See your face or see your hair. See, this girl, she have rubber hair. You think that her hair is not growing, but it's growing. So we are through with our hair maintenance. You want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? Fine girl. Princess. See your fine hair. See, you see fine girl. Fine girl with a fine hair. I don't know, it's like this auntie wants to sleep. Let me check if she wants to sleep. But we are through with our hair maintenance. We'll show you guys the hair that we'll make tomorrow. Okay, so we'll show you guys. Tomorrow is Sunday and we'll make a simple hairstyle for church tomorrow, and we'll show you guys. Okay, so talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye for now.
The next day.
Anche fui con la guerra è molto. Ole quella.
Ah, inizia. Che mi chiama. it.